Daddy, chị tôi tao nói vậy thôi nó bắt thay, tao tay của hai cái lấy thôi.
Oh gosh. I got it. We're taping. Yeah, I'm nervous for this guy. He's got that far to go. And there he goes, folks. JC Chu off into the sunset. Flying like a bird. The leap of faith. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he is. Is JC Chu gonna come down anytime soon, or is he just gonna fly down to Florida?
Fly down to Florida.
He's still pretty high, right up over the hill.
That looks. Yeah, he does. He's staying up. He looks like he's just hovering right
He's
now.
like hovering in one spot.
Yeah. I know. What?
The guy above you is getting pulled by that thing.
Is he?
And I think they just let him go.
It'll be a minute, but we have time.
Is Kira? Is JC? I'm like kind of zoomed in. Is he?
I don't see him.
Is Mr. Chu like going the right way?
Oh, I see it.
I lost him.
Isn't the landing ground like over there?
No, down there. No, right in front of you.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm getting lost in this. Oh no, I lost. There he is.
She's circling back over the mountain.
Yeah, he's finally banking. Oh, he's making his turn. I think he's getting a little bit more comfortable with his instruments. My arm's actually starting to get sore.
Well, can you pause it and then just wait till you land?
But I can't see him with my own eye.
Are you on him right now?
Yeah, I'm on him right now.
He looks. Since it wasn't of you.
I think he's coming. JC Chu's coming back towards us. I think he's about to land, Kier.
I would rather.
How close is he to the ground? Like, because I don't have very good perspective from this video camera. All right. Good job. Congratulations. JC Chu, though we've never met, I congratulate you heartily.